Jai Hind to all. Hope all are doing well in your home. Welcome back to a new session of our GK online class. We have finished up to 23 lessons. 24th lesson is a game you have to play along with your family members. So next we are going to move lesson 25. Compute Talk. Today my father has bought a new computer for me. He has taught me the names of various parts of the computer. Let me see if you can also name them. Take help of the picture clues and complete the crossword. The first one is C dash dash W dash dash C dash M. The first one is webcam. 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 Let's write, all of you follow me. W E B C A M. Webcam. The first one is webcam. 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 Then the second one is CPU. 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 Okay, then the third one is M dash U dash dash. Third one is mouse. Third one is mouse. M O U S E. Mouse. 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 Okay. MOUSE. Mouse. Then the fourth one is speakers. Speakers. S P E A K E R S. Speakers. S P E A K E R S. Speakers. Speakers. S P E A K. Speak. E R S S. Speakers. Then the next is fifth one. The fifth one is keyboard. K E Y. Key. B O A R D. Fifth one is keyboard. K E Y. Key. B O A R D. Keyboard. Then the sixth one is pen drive. Pen drive. P E N. Pen. D R I V E. Pen drive. P E N. Pen. D R I V E. Pen drive. Then the seventh one is U P S. U P S. UPS. Okay. Here, did you know? Here, pen drives are the latest means to save data. The latest means to save the data are pen drives. We can save all the data inside the pen drive. Then CPU. CPU is called the brain of the computer. CPU is the main part of the computer. So we can say CPU is called the brain of the computer. Next is chapter 26. Precious gifts. We have been blessed with 5 precious gifts with which we can sense the world around us. Those gifts are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. These are called sense organs. They help us to know and understand the world around us. Look at the pictures below and cross the odd one out. First one is eye. Eyes are used to see. We can see all the things through our eyes. Here, first option is to smell a flower. We can smell with our nose. We cannot smell with our eyes. To watch our favorite cartoon show. We can see cartoon show through our eyes. To see beautiful of nature. It also we can see with our eyes. To read our favorite story book. This also we can see with our eyes. So the odd one is to smell flowers. We can cut it to smell flowers. Then the second one is to ears. Here is a picture of the ear. To listen to a rhyme CD. We can listen with our ears, isn't it? To listen carefully what is taught in the class. While teachers are teaching, we can listen with our ears. Help us to run. Which organ help us to run? Yes, right. Legs are help us to run. To listen to our favorite song. We can listen the favorite song with our ears. So the odd ones help us to run. Cross it. Okay, then the third is nose. Nose is used to smell. Nose is a sense organ which help us to smell. First one is to smell a flower. To sense the foul smell in the surrounding. To sense the foul smell. It is also we can smell with our nose. To taste the food. We cannot taste with the food with our nose. To smell if any electrical shock is burnt. If the electric wire or electric shock something will happen or burnt, yes, bird smell will come. It also we can smell with our nose. So the wrong answer is to taste the food. Then the next one is skin. To feel the warmth of woolen clothes. We can feel the warmth of woolen clothes with our skin. To feel if the water is cool or hot. It also we can feel. To hold the pencil. It is we can hold the pencil with our hands. So this is not a uses of our skin. To feel the roughness of a pineapple. We can feel the roughness. While we are touching the pineapple, we can feel a roughness. So it is also feel. So the wrong answer is to hold a pencil. Then the last one is taste. To taste our favorite food. We can taste with our nose. Help us to speak. Mouth is help us to speak. Help us to differentiate between salt, sweet, sour or bitter. Tongue is used to differentiate salt. The food is salt or sweet or sour. It helps us to hear different sounds. We cannot hear with our tongue, isn't it? So the right answer is help us to hear different sounds. It is the odd one. This is the odd one. To taste our favorite food, help us to speak, help us to differentiate between salty, sweet and sour or bitter. Okay, so the wrong answer is help us to hear different sound. It is the odd one. So today's portions are over. you have to complete your textual exercises, lessons 25 and 26. You have to copy it on your textbook. Stay safe in your home. Okay, my dears. Have a good day.